Law enforcement warning for the city of Montpelier. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Montpelier Police Department along with the Vermont State Police. As of 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 13 children between the ages of 3 and 14 have been reported missing within city limits. This is due to hostile characters from the Nick Jr. show Oswald, who are believed to be luring children into the enchanted tunnel to be trapped. The characters were previously located in the city of Concord, New Hampshire, and are thought to have entered the state of Vermont. They were last seen exiting U.S. State Route 2, heading westward toward downtown Montpelier. Witnesses report that these figures wear oversized animal masks and carry spare keys or small toy objects as bait. All residents in the city of Montpelier are urged to immediately account for any children in your care and secure them indoors. Avoid approaching anyone in a large animal costume or anyone offering toys or treats. Report any suspicious activity or sightings to 911 or the Vermont State Police at 802-828-2331. Remain vigilant and follow all instructions from local law enforcement until further notice. This has been a law enforcement warning for Montpelier. Continuous updates will follow as new information becomes available.
This is a message from the Canadian Emergency Alert Network, with the exception of Ontario and Quebec. That requires uninterrupted broadcast on all radio and television services. At 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Canadian and U.S. authorities are cooperating to locate numerous children that aged 3 to 14 who have gone missing in Montpelier, Vermont. Early evidence suggests the involvement of hostile, costume figures resembling characters from the Nick Jr. series Oswald. These individuals are believed to have lured youngsters from playgrounds, school drop-off zones and residential areas. Parents, guardians and child care providers are urged to immediately secure children indoors and double-check all locks, gates and vehicle doors. Verify the identity of any costumed entertainer before permitting interaction. Report any sighting of suspicious uniforms, vans or groups resembling Oswald characters. If you have information, call the North American Missing Children Assistance Line at 1-800-555-3030, or dial 911. Provide descriptions of unattended vans, unusual gatherings or persons matching children's show attire. Remain tuned to this station for live updates. Do not attempt to approach these individuals. Your vigilance may help bring these children home safely.
For the suffering and this long misery. What if every living soul could be upright and strong? Well then I do.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 10:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the FEMA has received credible intelligence indicating that a group identifying themselves as Oswald and Friends has acquired and activated an unknown device capable of producing autonomous human clones. These clones, indistinguishable from the originals and reportedly armed, are believed to be preparing coordinated attacks against the following states: New Hampshire, Vermont, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Rhode Island, West Virginia, Illinois, and Indiana. All residents and visitors in the affected areas must take immediate protective action. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or building. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off lights and remain out of sight. Silence all electronic devices. Avoid making or receiving calls except to report life-threatening emergencies. Do not approach or attempt to identify any suspicious individuals or groups resembling law enforcement. Monitor local television, radio, or NOAA weather radio for updates and evacuation instructions. Law enforcement, National Guard units, and the FEMA response teams are mobilizing to contain the threat. Further details will follow as authorities verify clone sightings and staging locations. Remain calm, follow official guidance, and urge neighbors to take shelter immediately. Your swift action can save lives. This completes the Sable Danger Warning. Stand by for updates.